Hey guys, so today we're working on map 5 on your Isolines worksheet. And this map says, on the ribbon map, it should say below, draw the 1012 millibar and the 1008 millibar isolines, or isobars, meaning air pressure isolines. Extend the isobars to the east coast of the United States. Okay, so first we're going to start with our 1012 millibar isoline. First step is to find all the 1012s and circle them. I see a 1012 right here. I see one right here. I see one up here. I don't see any more 1000. Oh, here's one right here. I don't see any more 1012s outside of that. The next step is to find all the hidden 1012s. I'm going to start from the bottom of the map and look in between all the numbers. So 1012 is not between 1008 and 1010. It's not between 1012 and 1010 because 1012 is 1012. It is between 1000 and 1014. So I'm going to draw a star there. 1012 is between 1004 and 1014. So I'm going to draw a star there. It's between 1008 and 1014. Draw a star there. Notice that this line is my 1016 line, meaning every single point on this line is 1016. 1012 is between 1004 and 1016. I could draw another star here if I wanted to. The more stars, the better, because it helps you find a trail for yourself. Let's see, 1012 is not between these two numbers. It's not between these two numbers. Not between these two numbers. Not here. Not here either. Not here either. 1012 is between 1004 and 1013. Let's draw a star there. It's between, what else? It is between 1008 and 1013. I'm going to draw a star there. And I think that's about it. I can draw more stars if I need to later on. So let's see. Let's start connecting. So here's 1012. I need to figure out how to get to this 1012. Should I go through these two numbers or these two numbers? Well, 1012 is not between 1008 and 1010, so I can go through here. So that probably means that I should go in the bottom, right? Maybe there are more numbers that are higher on this side that they didn't list. So there you go. And then I can connect this 1012 to this star that I drew. And then this, connect these stars right here. And then from this star, I can connect to the dot for this 1012. And then from here, I can connect to this star and then the next star. And from this star, I can just go to this 1012 right here. Now, it says, extend the isobars to the east coast of the United States. This is the United States map. This is the east coast of the United States. So my lines should not just stop here. It should extend to the coast where the ocean is. Okay, and that's my 1012 isobar. Your line does not have to look exactly like mine. It just needs to go through or in between the same numbers. So next we're going to draw the 1008 millibar isobar. So I'm going to erase the other circles that I drew so I don't confuse myself and just keep the line that I drew. So now that I erased the circles, I can start circling my 1008 millibar isobars, right? So let's find all my 1008s. That's my first step. Here's a 1008. Here's a 1008. Here's a 1008. Here's a 1008. I don't see any more 1008s. So that means the next step is to find my hidden 1008s and look in between all the numbers. Well, 1008 is between 1004 and 1012, so I can draw a star there. It is between 1000 and 1012, so I can draw a star there. It's between 1004 and 1014. Notice that you already drew a 1012 line. 1008 is also in between 1004 and 1012, so I can draw a star here for 1008. Here's already 1008. I don't need to draw any stars here. 1008 is between 996. Every point on this line is 996, right? 1000 is a number between 996 and 1012, the line that you drew. So I can draw a star in between. 1008 is between 1004 and 1012, the line that you drew. So I'm going to draw a star in between. This is why sometimes if you see that the new line that you're about to draw is too close to your own line, an option is to just redraw that own line and make some space. So I can redraw that 1012 line and just make a little bit more space for myself for my 1008 line, just like that. So here's my 1008 star. So this is what it looks like so far. Okay, and then 1008 is, what else could it be? I think I pretty much drew all my stars for 1008, and now I can start connecting. If I need to draw any more stars than I have already, I can make more as I go to create a trail. So let's connect the star to this 1008 dot, and then this dot can connect to this star. This star can connect to this star can connect to this 1008 dot, and this dot can connect to this star can connect to this, and then this star can connect to this 1008 dot, and this dot can connect to this 1008 dot. Oh, there's the dot, sorry, this 1008 dot. And it looks like I have my 1008 line. There you go. Remember to extend to the east coast of the United States, right? So I'm gonna make sure my lines extend to the coast. And there you have it, my 1008 line and my 1012 line. Your lines should end up looking something like this, okay? Make sure the lines never touch or cross each other. If they almost do, just like how I did, erase one of the lines and just make some more space. So you can get full credit if both of your lines are drawn properly. They need to go in between the correct numbers. They need to be extended to the east coast of the United States, just like the question asked you to. And if you draw any additional lines for any reason, they also need to be correct, okay? And one more thing, if you're not drawing the lines through the numbers, for instance, if 1012 line is not crossing through the dot for 1012, it will be wrong. Make sure you're going through the dots for the numbers that you're drawing the lines for, okay? Even if I drew a circle earlier, your line still needs to go through the dot for that number. And that's it. Thank you.